let's make some vegan steak. So we have all of these great ingredients together. Let's go ahead and prepare the onion and get that sauteed up as the first part to this vegan steak. Once the onion is sauteed, let's go ahead and add the sauteed onion and all of the other ingredients except for the vital wheat gluten to a food processor and process it well. Once we have those ingredients nice and smooth, go ahead and add in the vital wheat gluten and let that process, and that's going to start to clump up into a dough kind of ball. Now we have our steak ball, so go ahead and tear it apart into some smaller pieces. I made it into about 5 pieces so that way I can have 5 fillets. Once you have that torn into the sizes that you want, go ahead and shape out your steak. Go ahead and wrap it up in some wax paper, in some foil, and go ahead and add it to the steaming basket. You're going to need to steam it for a while. While the steak fillets are steaming, go ahead and make your marinade. Okay, so the marinade is ready, the steak is ready. Go ahead and add each piece of steak into that marinade, get it to soak up that delicious juiciness, and then add it to your skillet and get that nice and hot, nice and browned, and you'll be ready to go to plate it up. right, so there you have it. We have a vegan steak, and honestly, it's pretty good. I think with this steak, I really like how soft it is. It has a lot of juiciness, and to me, that's reminiscent of having real steak years ago when I ate it. I think it's a good steak. I would definitely have this again. The one call that I have is that it's very easy to make this steak flavor salty, right? Because you have several ingredients in there that could do that. So get the low sodium kinds, maybe drop back some of those liquid ingredients to lower the sodium. Like I said again, just be careful with that, because if you have it too salty, then it's gonna overpower the flavor, and you're not gonna be able to have much of it. But this is absolutely fantastic. It's a great flavor. So, watch out for that. I really like the steak. I will have it again. I'll make a few modifications to it and make it my own, and it'll be, the much but better steak. So I look forward to doing that. But everyone, make sure that you come back and watch some more videos, because I have plenty of vegan meat videos and more to come. And I'm going to be making a few more different steak videos and just kind of branching off from there, because I'm your friend with food benefits. And well, I'll see you again real soon.